my name is Anakyn, and this is Anakyn's Cat Corner, Part 2. To start off this new edition of Anakyn's Cat Corner, something amazing happened to these two frisky felines. It started when a storm hit near a house and caused a gas leak in the water heater. The heater exploded and the cats could not escape the house on time, and the rubble came down straight down on the cats. These two cats got all the treatment they needed at the vet, so they're in good hands. I hope they're still safe. I plan to have a cat shelter and rescue center in the future. Time for some trivia. What is the oldest cat movie? A. The Sick Kitten. B. The Cat from Outer Space. C. Cats and Dogs. Or D. The Adventures of Milo and Otis. You have 5 seconds, go. If you guessed The Sick Kitten, you are correct. Sick Kitten was created in 1903. Now to the memes. I want to go out, but I want to say it. Hardy har har har. Human, I request your assistance. Taco Cat spelled backwards is Taco Cat. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep in mind this isn't the end of Cat Corner. I'm moving to Virginia, but I will still be able to make more while I'm in Virginia. Do not worry, this is not over. But beware to like this video. Stay tuned for more and be kind to your animals. Bye.